it's used for work. When I go on vacation or a trip like this, I try to carry as little as I want. And gear use is always going to be a personal choice. Do you want to carry that around? Are you able to carry that around for a full day? That's fine. This is a trip. Sometimes it's a trip of a lifetime. Sometimes it's a trip of once every couple years. Who am I to tell you not to bring your 7200 or your 300, to this trip? Because hey, you have a specific image you want to create, and you're going to be here. You're not going to return for maybe never. Do what you have to do to make that happen. But and even the name of the workshop, X-Pedition Hanoi, it's a nod to Fujifilm's X series cameras. If you know
Mm.
David and yourself as a Fujifilm photographer, you know that the X series has a sort of the people that are drawn to it are people who like the smaller form, that liked the ability to travel light and nimble, and still have a lot of capability. So we call it X-Pedition Hanoi for that very reason. We try to urge people to sort of leave some of that gear in the hotel if you brought it, leave it at home if you're brave enough. Um, uh, Bring a 35 millimeter, a 50 millimeter, or a 24 millimeter, and fixed focal length primes, fast primes are great, and bring those on the trip. Don't bring the big zooms. Unless you're a landscape photographer, you might argue, well, that's my thing. I want to make some